How to activate Proton VPN on iOS and Android. So first navigate to Play Store or App Store, then search for Proton VPN. Then install the Proton VPN application. After the installation gets finished, you'll have to simply click on the Open button. Now, you'll have to simply click on Continue as Guest, or you can create an account if you don't have one, or just sign in. After continuing from this page, you'll be taken to another page where you can get VPN Plus. If you want to skip this, click on Not Now. Now, simply click on Connect button and it will instantly ask for a connection request. Click on OK and that will instantly connect you to a VPN. You can also choose countries and choose another country if you want. For connecting, after selecting the country, you'll have to get VPN Plus and connect to that specific country. The easiest way to activate it is by clicking on the connect button just right here, and that will give you the fastest free server. So that's how you activate Proton VPN on iOS or Android. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.